Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel here on YouTube, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a paper snowman. They're very easy to make, and on that note, let's get started. The materials you'll need for this DIY project are a sheet of printer paper, half a sheet of printer paper, 1/4 of a sheet of printer paper, 1/4 of a cup of water, a paintbrush, white acrylic paint, clear glue, and puffy paint. And if you don't have puffy paint, you can use regular acrylic paint. The colors of the puffy paint or acrylic paint are up to you. For the half sheet of paper, you basically take a sheet of paper, you fold it in half, hamburger style, and you cut along the folded line. And for the 1/4 of a sheet of paper, you basically take one of the halves of paper, you fold it in half, and you cut along the folded line. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to have 1/4 of a cup of water in a bowl. Then you're going to pour about 2 teaspoons of white glue or clear glue. Then you're going to mix it up with the mixing bowl. Next, get your 1 sheet of used printer paper and rip it up into small pieces. Next, submerge the piece of paper into the water and mix it around, and keep ripping it apart until everything looks like a pulp. Once the paper looks like a pulp, pick it up and start to squeeze most of the water out. And while you're squeezing out the water, form the pulp into a ball. Once you have formed the ball, you're going to flatten out an area just a little bit, and then you're going to set it out to dry. And you're going to repeat the process for the half sheet of paper and for the 1/4 of the sheet of paper. Once you're done making the paper balls, you're going to set them out to dry outside for a week. When you're setting these out to dry, be sure that the bigger paper ball has some sort of flat area. That way, when it's dry, it won't roll away when you're making the snowman. Once the paper balls have dried, they should look something like this. The next part is to glue them together to form the snowman. And to glue them, you're going to use clear glue or white glue, or any other adhesive that you have. Before you glue the paper balls together, be sure to have the flat side of the bigger paper ball facing down. Once the glue has dried, you're going to get your white paint and your toothbrush, and you're going to paint the whole snowman white. And the white paint is meant to cover up any ink little spots. Once the paint is dry, it is ready to be decorated. And you can decorate it however you want. I'll be using puffy paint. However, if you don't have puffy paint, you can always use acrylic paint. Thank you guys so much for watching this video of me showing you how to make Super Snowman. I hope you found it easy. If you did, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you have time, comment down below anything or any video suggestions. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye y'all.